Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Delta Essa 911 BLDSD Touch2O technology kitchen sink faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Delta Essa 911 BLDSD Touch2O technology kitchen sink faucet with Touch2O technology. A simple touch anywhere on the spout or handle will start and stop the flow of water. Helps keep your faucet cleaner, because washing the mess off your hands shouldn't involve making a mess of your faucet. LED light signals blue when touch mode is active and flash red when batteries are running low. Automatic water flow shut off after 4 minutes helps conserve water. Integrated temp-sense LED light shows water temperature changing from blue to magenta to red as temperature increases. You can install with confidence knowing that Delta faucets are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Electronic parts are backed by our 5-year electronic parts warranty. Delta Essa 911 BLDSD Touch2O technology kitchen sink faucet offers several specific features that make it a popular choice. Touch on, touch off, messy hands, touch anywhere on the kitchen, spout with your wrist or forearm to start and stop the flow of water, or use the single lever handle manually. Check your water temperature from across the room using the temp-sense LED indicator light that changes color to reflect water temperature. Magnetic docking. Magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your kitchen sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen faucets. Lasts 2x longer. Patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen faucet. Industry standard is based on ASME 112/18, one of 500,000 cycles. Easy installation, designed to fit single-hole or 3-hole 8-in configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including an optional deck plate for 3-hole installation and InnoFlex PEX supply lines that are integrated into the faucet for one less leak point. Easy to clean. Delta kitchen faucets with touch clean spray holes allow you to quickly and easily wipe away calcium and lime buildup with a touch of a finger, so no need to soak or use chemical cleaners. 18 GPM max flow rate helps conserve water usage. Automatic water flow feature conveniently shuts off after 4 minutes when water is left running. Here are some of the pros and cons to consider before making your purchase. Pros: Touch2O technology, temp-sense technology, magnetite docking, diamond seal technology, multiple finishes, lifetime warranty. Cons: battery operated, size. Overall, the Delta Essa 911 BLDSD Touch2O technology kitchen sink faucet is a high-quality faucet with a number of innovative features. However, it is important to consider the cost, battery operation, and potential for false activation before making your decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Delta Essa 911 BLDSD Touch2O technology kitchen sink faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading.